everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. I wanted to do a quick haul I got from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. I know that you were interested in the last one I did. If you like it, then please keep telling me that you like them by watching them and commenting. Okay, the few things I got from Hobby Lobby were this tinsel. I got it to put in some of my items. It's really pretty. It's almost holographic. That aside, I got some snow, some fake snow. I'll put the prices up on the camera. If I could talk, I'd be dangerous. Some little wreaths. I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm going to do with all this stuff. And then I got some of these stir sticks, just some acrylic stir sticks. Those are pretty neat. I got tired of the big ones when I have the little thing. They're just little. There we go. Okay, that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. Now, Dollar Tree, I got some of these glitter vase fillers. It's a little pom-pom, not pom-pom, but like styrofoam balls. I'm hoping it'll work in resin. And I've got some other fake snow that I got that was really cheap. I couldn't pass up on it. Then I got these things here. They're snow globes that you put something on here and then put the water in here and put that in there and then close it and it makes a snow globe. I thought that would be interesting to make. So it's just a little bitty one that I got, a little bitty haul that I got. I didn't get any molds because obviously, well, not obviously, but they didn't have any good molds at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobbies are too expensive for me right now until I get better, till I start getting some money coming in. I'm going to have to stick with my molds. Okay, I hope y'all like this quick little Temu haul. Temu. I hope y'all like this quick little Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree mold. I know it's a quick little video, but if you like this channel, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, share, and thank you for all my subscribers that have been with me, and thank you for all my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free to subscribe. Please do so. It's real easy. Just hit that button. It's free. But everything here helps my channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.